Hi, this is Praveen Gautam, your trusted marketing advisor. I often get asked by our clients is, Praveen, Google Ads, Facebook Ads. Tell me more about. I mean, is it a competition there? And why do you think it is a competition in between these two platforms? So that's why I have got my PPC experts Ian, who works on retargeting, who works on the campaign to get the results for our clients. And let's welcome to Ian. Good day, Ian. How are you?
Hey, how's it going, Praveen? Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
good. Thank you.
A lot of
Great to
clients,
have you on the line.
thank you very much. Yes, that's correct. A lot of clients do think that Facebook ads and Google ads are a competition, but
Yes,
actually, I believe that they're more of a team together because when
really.
people, correct, yes, because when people are online, they don't choose Google or Facebook. Actually, they use both. They use Google
Yes,
maybe for searches, they use Facebook for their social content and just trying to see what their friends are doing. So
yes.
they're online, they're on both platforms, Google and Facebook. And how do digital marketers use this context of people just using both platforms? There are several ways that we can do this. So
So
one
you
of the
don't think
most
it is a competition, because what you are saying here is users are also in Facebook, where in Facebook it's more like what friends are doing and the features and then recommendations and those sort of things. But Google purely versus people are looking to buy, people are searching the trends and keywords, those sort of things. Yeah.
correct, yes, but yeah, it's not a competition. You can use both, and actually, it's beneficial to use both and not just pick one of those. Sometimes maybe if your budget is too low, you have to pick one, but it's not recommended. If you can try to balance it and do both Facebook ads and Google ads, that would be the best way to go for a company.
Well, that's great. That's great. Which comes back to the second questions now about retargeting. So what does that mean? I'll give a bit of context to our viewers who are watching this. Is obviously a lot of the clients, Intel clients, or any other clients we talked about, they just say, "Oh, look, we will post it in Facebook," and then obviously then we're doing the Google ads, but there is no any really synergy or integration between Google ads or Facebook ads. And what do you suggest? Is it a right way, or what is the good way to go about it? Yeah.
Okay, so you could actually choose different ways to go about it, but the best practice or the most used one is to use Facebook, as it is more of a content social media platform. Use banner ads, use a lot of images, and do your whole branding campaign in Facebook ads. So what would you do? You would create a nice image, a nice ad, and start showing it to people in Facebook, and that would work as branding. So people will get to know your company from Facebook ads. Maybe
Yes.
a person sees your ad, but doesn't click on it. But what does he do? He goes to Google and starts doing research on Google from your Facebook ad. So that's one form that you can use the synergy of Facebook and Google as a whole. Okay, so what they're going to do is go to Google and research your company, and you should
Yes.
also have a structure in Google Ads matching the one that you had in Facebook. So when the person types in your company name, let's say, I don't know, Google, that's your company. Types Google
Yes.
into the Google search, and now your search ad is going to match the one they had in Facebook, and they're going to click on that ad. It adds
Oh,
more,
got it.
it has more chances of that person converting because it creates a little bit of a trust circle when they see it on different platforms, and the message matches. So yeah, that would be like an organic way to say it, because the person is the one that goes to Google and types the name.
Okay,
Then
so let me recap that. We understood, like a lot of our viewers are watching this, understood properly. So what you're saying is relinking between the Facebook and Google, right? So let's
correct.
say in Google, obviously they may, put some Google ads, but when they jump on the Facebook, they may can see the banner ads, or they may can see, some ads exactly. So literally the ads is following through the visitors, right? Wherever the browser goes.
Correct.
And it's a
Yes.
vice versa. Is that vice versa, or just from Google to Facebook, or is Facebook to Google as well?
It's vice versa, actually. Facebook also has the option of you targeting the people that went into your website from Google Ads, from from your Google Ads campaign. So it's a more advanced type of setting. It's not that difficult, but you would need a person that understands the structure of a Facebook Ads account and Google Ads. So what this does is a person that clicked on your link from Google Ads, then it sends an ad in Facebook because it has the information of all the people that entered your website from Google. So, okay.
Yes.
We go to Facebook, we start targeting those people. And maybe those people don't convert, but Facebook also has an audience type that starts to target similar audiences to the ones that went to your website.
Yes.
So if a person didn't convert, that doesn't mean we shouldn't look for lookalikes of that person, because maybe the other person will convert. So that's the magic of Facebook. It has the possibility of start targeting people that went inside your website and persons or people, users that are similar to that one, to those ones.
Okay, I think that makes it very clear. So what you're saying is vice versa, from Google to Facebook, Facebook to Google. That's great. Now, this is a bit technical, even technical for me, because it's a more specialized, and that's what you do. And obviously the certifications you have with Google and your experience working directly with Google, that's quite amazing. So now the question is, can anyone do it? Simple person, can they learn, or they have to hire the specialist, or they have to, obviously, the people are busy. So what can anyone do it? That's the question.
Yeah, of course, anyone can learn to do it. Someone that works in digital marketing is going to learn and probably is going to make time to do it. But a lot of people don't have time for it. People that don't work in digital marketing, like dental clinics, lawyers, they don't want to get their hands inside digital marketing because it's not their field of expertise. So that's when we come in handy, because we started studying all these types of tools and know how to build a structure. Because creating Facebook ads and Google ads, it's quite easy. You just have to create an image or create some text ads. But the magic is what I tried to explain before, that maybe it gets a little bit more technical. That is trying to target the correct audience. Doing retargeting from Facebook to Google, Google to Facebook, that takes a little bit more of training than just creating some ads.
So it's pretty much a science, isn't it? When you mix with different chemicals, where exactly, what outputs would you? So it's pretty much, but it's, as you're saying, it's more specialized. So why don't you just, obviously people can learn, but spending, rather than you serving to your clients or your patients, it's worth it rather than just jumping or trying to learn, because this is highly specialized. And someone like me, even I have to just follow your advice or experts' advice on a campaign. So that's a great insight, Ian. Thank you so much. Anything you want to add on Google Ads? So it's not versus Google Ads versus Facebook Ads.
Right.
It's literally Google Ads plus Facebook Ads. Do you believe on that?
Correct. Yes, it's plus, because we have to understand how the user acts. It's not that it chooses one or the other platform. Maybe the same thing with different type of search engines. It's not that you choose only Google. You can use different type of search engines, and you can start mixing it up and crossing the ads from Facebook to Google, Google to LinkedIn, and all sort of different types of retargetings.
That's great. Thank you so much, Ian, for your time. It's a great insight. So what Ian is saying is, if you're looking for new clients, new patients, obviously it's not just using the Google ads, but obviously using the Facebook ad. It's a bit of mixed with combo. I love combo, with having a combo, both a chicken and lamb, or whatever it might be combination. So that's what you're saying, isn't it? Pretty much.
Correct.
Thank
you,
Ian.
Chicken and lamb.
I hope that's give you a bit of insight. So if you have any burning questions on a PPC or Google ads, or Google ads or Facebook ads campaign, feel free to just drop me an email or at praveen@vizznetwork.com.au, and we'll address those, or we'll get Ian to work on it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.
Very much.
Bye for now.